Feeling like your projects are constantly veering off course? In just 90 seconds, I'll show you how to add a project timeline in Clockify, so you can kiss those chaotic days goodbye and say hello to smooth, on-team project delivery. First, log into your Clockify account. If you don't have one, it's free to sign up. Once you're in, navigate to the Projects tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Now, select the project you want to add a timeline to. For our example, let's choose Website Redesign. Click on the project name to open it. Inside the project, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Timeline tab. If you don't see the Timeline tab, you may need to enable it in your workspace settings under the Advanced options. Here's your blank canvas. To start building your timeline, click the Add Milestone button. This will be a key event or deadline in your project. A pop-up window will appear. Give your milestone a descriptive name, for example, Design Mockups Complete. Add a brief description, like all design mockups approved by client. Most importantly, set the due date using the calendar. Click Save to add the milestone to your timeline. Voila! Your first milestone is now on the timeline. You can drag and drop milestones to adjust their positions and visually represent their order. To add specific tasks leading up to that milestone, click the Add Task button next to it. This will visually break down each step to ensure timely delivery. Continue adding milestones and tasks to build out your complete project timeline. You can even create dependencies between tasks to show which ones need to be completed before others can start. The timeline provides a clear visual representation of your project's progress, allowing team members to easily understand deadlines, track progress, and stay aligned. This improved visibility leads to better communication, fewer missed deadlines, and ultimately, more successful projects. So, start using Clockify timelines today and transform your project management from chaotic to controlled. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Clockify tips and tricks.